Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a Basecamp project private? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make a Basecamp project private anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes in various projects, you need to remove people, or maybe it's no longer relevant that they're working inside of your project or have access to the private information in there. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and make your Basecamp project private, first you're going to choose the project. So for example, I'll choose this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the access to that particular project. You can see this one is all access. So anybody inside of my Basecamp can see all the information in here. So if we want to make that private, you're going to click on these three dots here on the top right. Click on this one right here, edit project settings. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see the section this project is. You can see it's all access, but we want to change that to invite only, and then click on save changes. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now this particular project inside my Basecamp is private. Other folks inside my group are not going to be able to see the data in here unless I invite them in. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to make your Basecamp project private, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.